Hey Chef K, welcome back to the channel. We've got some beefy comfort food for you tonight. We're going to put some cubed beef into a hot pan and sear it. I'm going to season it up with a little bit of that Killer Hogs AP. Got a real hot pan, searing that meat, getting a good sear on the outside, sealing it up, sealing in the juices. No oil, it's a dry pan. Got a medium onion sliced up real thin. Toss that in there. We're still on high heat. You see our onions are starting to turn translucent, get a little color on them. Keep moving them around. Now we got them cooked down. They're wilted down pretty good. We're going to come in with a can of French onion soup. Just pour it in. Work that into the meat and the onion mixture. It's going to be good. Nothing wrong with beef and onions. That's going to pull those little bits off the bottom of the pan. That's why we wanted to use a dry pan and sear that meat really tough. Just sear it real hard. Just side of burning it. Now we're going to stay up on high heat. We're going to reduce that onion soup by about a third. Once that's reduced, we're going to come in with a couple of tablespoons of beef bouillon powder. Just sprinkle it around evenly in the pan. 2 tablespoons. After that, we're going to come in with 2 tablespoons of flour. Distribute that evenly across the meat mixture. Then we're going to work it in. We're making a gravy here. We're pulling all those bits off the bottom of the pan, getting that flavor. That beef bouillon is going to just kick that flavor up. The flour is going to cook. We're going to stay up on medium-high heat for a few minutes. We want to get all that raw flour taste cooked out. This is super comfort food. Beef and onions, brown gravy. We're going to come in with some water from time to time just to keep a gravy consistency to this. You don't want it to dry out. We're still up on medium heat. We're going to turn it down here just pretty quick. Run it on simmer to a medium low. Our flour has thickened. Put a little bit more water in. Don't put too much. You can put it in, but you can't take it out. Now we're looking pretty good. That looks like the consistency we want. Hit that subscribe button for me, would you? Oh, now we're going to come in over some mashed potatoes. Those are 4 cheese mashed potatoes that Chef K whipped up. Oh yeah. I'm going to come in and lay it right on top. A couple of big spoonfuls. That is beef and gravy and onion comfort food. Thanks for watching.